Hi, my name is Norm Miller with the University of San Diego with the Burnham Moore Center, and this short vignette on SANDAG data is simply to acquaint you on where to get the data, how to get the data. First of all, notice the website at the top, datasurfer.sandag.org. SANDAG, of course, is the San Diego Association of Regional Governments, and they nicely provide this data that can be used for forecasting using historical information, or you can actually pull forecast out of the data here going out as far as 2050. I suggest you start right here at how to use the data surfer and take a look at that, but what I'm showing you now may suffice. I hit get started. I clicked on that. I see source type. I could take historical data, census. I could use estimates, or I could use a forecast, and that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to pick series 12. For the geography, I'm going to pick the region. The location will be San Diego, and I can view the results right away, almost right away, and here we go. So if you notice, we have demographic type data on the left corner here. We have housing forecast. We have the map of the area, which is San Diego County, household income forecast, and job forecast. Let me go back. I could put this out in a PDF report now. I could go back. I'm going to hit this again, and I'm going to say this time download report. Better recycle this. Try it again. And download report. Forecast again. Series 12. Geography, region. There it is. Location San Diego. Download report, Microsoft Excel. There it goes. Now we see at the bottom the Excel popping up, and I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller here. But what we see here is a forecast, and let me pull down the sheet. Okay. I'm going to have to bring this over so that you can see the blocks right here. So there's forecast here for San Diego out to 2050 by age groups, male, female, in age group increments. There's demographic numbers here by ethnicity. There's housing estimates here by 5-year increments by type of home. There's population estimates. There's income estimates. This would be useful for forecasting retail markets. And there's jobs, which would be useful for forecasting other segments in real estate, especially the office market. And you can see here that we have the different SIC categories. But the ones that would be office services, professional services, finance and real estate, all of those would probably be 100% real estate. For the others, you would need to take a percentage of these that would be office related if you were forecasting the office market. We would need a separate source for the percentage, but I can tell you that construction is probably 10-15% office. Manufacturing probably the same. Wholesale trade a little bit higher. Retail trade probably 15-20%. Information systems, I'd use 100%. Agricultural and mining, I would use a small percentage. So you can almost guess at some of these. Leisure and hospitality would be a minor percentage. Government would be mostly office. So we have these categories, and separately we need to estimate the percentage of the jobs that would require office space. And you see these forecasts start at 2008. They should be close to real numbers, but they go all the way out to 2050. So here we have a series of forecasts. Now once these are organized, job growth expectation over time, then they could be input into a forecast model for future demand. Of course, we'd have to consider jobs lost as well as net new jobs, but this gives us a total jobs. So from each increment, we could go ahead and make an estimate as to the difference in net new jobs and use that for employment. I hope this at least gives you an idea what's in SANDAG. Certainly it's not enough to develop a forecast model, but this is a pretty valuable resource. datasurfer.sandag.org. Thank you.